go around here. There he goes. I wouldn't think so. Bloody hell, don't tell me I've got to go back now. Alright, we'll backtrack a bit. Maybe. What's that old car up there? Cool. Let's go have a look at that first. Wow. She's an old girl. Okay. Does this go through or not? Coming to a nice little village here. Have a look at that. Thanks for coming, please call again. If I knew where I was, I'd come again, yeah. Got ham, salami, cheese and homegrown tomatoes. Beautiful. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to call it a day here. It's been a fantastic day out. Yeah, I think that rain's going to hit any second now. So I'll pack my camera up. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.